Hello and welcome. This pilau rice is a quick and easy one to master. I'm going to show you how it's made in a Tefal multi-cooker, which is very similar to the Instant Pot. And the results are consistent. You get a tasty fluffy rice that is never mushy. To begin, wash 2 cups of basmati rice in a bowl, rinse it out and then leave to soak in hot water for 30 minutes. Turn on the multi-cooker and then select the brown setting and allow it to heat up for a minute. Then pour in half a cup of olive oil. Let that heat and then add in 1 finely chopped large onion. Let the onion sauté for a few minutes, and then slice a large green chilli and add that to the mix. So continue to fry the onions for a few more minutes, 2-3 minutes should be enough, until they become translucent. And next add in half a teaspoon of ginger paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Continue to fry for another minute. And then add about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then salt is to your individual taste. So I use about 1½ teaspoons for this recipe. Give everything a good mix and then allow the spices to fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. And next stir in the potatoes. Now for this recipe I'm using 2 large potatoes that have been peeled and then chopped into large dices. So once the potatoes have cooked for a couple of minutes, we are now adding in our tomatoes. I've used a large tomato here and it's been diced up quite small. And as the tomatoes begin to soften, add in 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetables. Stir and cook for another couple of minutes, and then add in the rice. Stir fry the rice for a minute until it's fully coated in the vegetable mixture. Then pour in 2 cups of water. Stir and then close and seal the lid. And set on to pressure cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, when the cooker beeps, switch the cooker off and allow the steam to escape naturally for about 5 minutes, and then release the steam valve. Open up the lid carefully and then add in the chopped cilantro and about half a cup of fried onions. Then using either a metal spoon or a fork, turn over the pilau. And there you have it, your 1-pot rice meal is ready. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video recipe, and as always, thank you for watching.